Today I'm out here going to be doing a little bass fishing in the rain. It's about 54 degrees outside right now, but we're going to be trying all kinds of different things today. Probably swim baits, some worms, maybe large swim baits. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. But let's get the boat unloaded and see if we can get some fish. Let's go get them. Tying on the first bait of the day. Gonna be one of these Strike King 3.8-inch swim minnows. Swim baits. There's quite a few weeds already growing up in the water. This summer this place was packed full of weeds, and it can get pretty bad. We are off and running. It's kind of calm. Water's pretty clear today. I'm gonna go over to the spot that I caught a few last time I was here, and I'm gonna see if I can get a few more from there. They were eating the swim bait last time, so it'll be interesting to see if they're still interested in that or if it's changed. We've had a couple days below freezing, so the fish may have changed quite a bit. And the first cast. Geese in the background, ducks all over. Spot one, no good. So we're gonna go try another spot now, right across the lake. Oh, I just switched up to a rattle trap. I'm gonna try and have a little bit faster moving bait, a little rattle to it. That way, hopefully I can get some more reaction strikes and get these fish up and moving, because the swim bait's not doing the trick. Got one. Got my first fish. I had a feeling the rattle trap might work. It was kind of like a lethargic bite. It was barely even in there, so good thing I kept good tension on him. But this is the first fish of the day, so hopefully we can get a few more. He's really chunky. He's a thick fish, healthy. Man, you just can't beat it. It is pretty cold out here. He's got a little wrap on his tail, like he may have been wrapped or gotten a little fight or bit or something. But happy to be out here. So we're gonna say goodbye to this little guy and hopefully get a few more. I think I got another fish. Oh, he come off. Well, unfortunately, we're ending the day with just one fish. We tried 4 different things. We tried swim baits, jerk baits. We tried a hard swim bait as well. And we also tried a rattle trap. And the rattle trap seemed to work best. I did have 2 bites with it, but I kept changing it up to see if I could get something else to go and work a little better. But we just didn't have that kind of luck today. So hopefully next time we come out here, we'll have a little better luck. We'll be able to get on the fish, because this place really can produce some good fish. In the summer, sometimes we'll catch 40 in a couple hours. So it's not like it's not doable. It's just that it's pretty early right now in Indiana, especially northern Indiana. So next time, hopefully we'll get after them.